Hello and welcome to Backpacking with Lydia.
No packing.
Lydia's not a morning person, by the way, just so you know. So we're going on the boat trip today in the region of Lencois Maranhenses. It's in the national park. We're gonna make a few stops, but we're definitely gonna see monkeys and we're definitely gonna visit Ferrol. I am really excited about this. This is a tour from 9 in the morning until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we will see you when we get started.
Hi, I'm Lydia. This is my mommy. And we are
Backpacking with Lydia! We're on a journey around the world, but where will we go next? Subscribe and follow our journey. We might even surprise you as much as we've surprised ourselves. All our tours in Lencois Maranhenses were with AVA Tourism. People in the car!
again.
Tiene que buscar Salvador.
Nada.
Salvador.
Eu quero nada.
A chegada tem que botar o colete que a Maria fiscaliza, tá?
Não sabe meu nome.
A chegada você botou.
Não sabe meu nome.
And so the journey to Cabure begins. We lost some passengers, but now we found them, so it's almost 9 o'clock and we are finally starting our tour. The tour normally starts at 8 o'clock in the morning and the guide begins with a short speech about local nature. Lydia's sleeping, she doesn't want to wake up. She's saving her energy. The first stop, and in Portuguese they call it vassouras. Look, they're like small dance. Lydia is taking the piss of her guide and making him carry her. Very happy here, and then we're going to go and see the monkeys. Woo! There are a lot of monkeys when you arrive at this destination, but the best thing to do is buy a coconut and feed the coconut to the monkeys, and then they'll come to you rather than trying to chase after them like a lot of other tourists were doing.
É velho. Macaquito.
This same stop is where you can buy souvenirs and also have a drink and just take in the environment. Oh my goodness, I could have stayed where those monkeys were all day. They were just fascinating, and they come and they jump on you, and it's just wonderful. It's so wonderful. So this is the beach of Cabure, and it's absolutely stunning. This, I think, is the best tour for children as well. Look, we've just found a restaurant, not the one as soon as you come onto the beach. I never go to those normally because they're so obvious and overcrowded. So we came here, and Lydia is playing there, look, with the children from this restaurant, and we're gonna like maybe go onto the beach. I'm quite warm, so I might just hang in the hammock. We have like 2.5 hours here. We decided with our guide that we're going to come here before we go to Ferrol. We'll go to the Ferrol, which is, sorry, it's the lighthouse after. and this tour so far is absolutely stunning. I would say this is the best tour for family, and we chose this for Lydia because it has the monkeys and it's a bit more active. The other one, but actually Lago Bonito, she really enjoyed as well because it was just like one swimming pool after another for her. So Lencois Maranhenses is an excellent destination for families. I really hope someone chooses to come here after watching our videos. I'm so impressed with it. Just the whole of the north of Brazil. If you haven't seen our other videos, especially if you haven't seen the Amazon jungle, go back and watch our videos from there because it's really quite emotional. Like, I've enjoyed it so much. These places are excellent destinations, and they're not thought of, like, people don't think to come to these places. So anyway, we're gonna we've ordered some fish. I think it will come with rice and feijão, which is like a bean sauce that's very typical of Brazil and, well, South America in general. And we'll see you when we decide to take a walk on the beach and then go back to the boat. We're going to eat. And look, we have peixe. Vamos a comer ahora. We're gonna have pescado, fish. Essa é como feijão, it's like habichuela in Spanish, and it's like, we have baked beans, but it's nothing like that. Arroz, rice, como ensalada, vinaigrette, so salad vinaigrette, and farofa. Farofa is algo muy típico de aquí. Farofa is very typical of here, but we don't have anything like this in England. Lydia likes none. Even the walk back to the boat was a memorable experience. Then it was on to our final destination, Cabure. Lydia's happy now because she has ice cream.
Sleep in the light of day. Show me the clouds of dawn. Build me a paper plane. We'll fly it until we're lost. To dry your eyes, we'll touch the skies like satellites. With ice like hawks, we roam the air. And should you lose your wings,
Tonight we're going to San Luis again because we can't get to Recife from here, and so we have to go back to San Luis. But getting back to the tour, this is our last stop and it's absolutely beautiful. We've just bought an ice cream for €5 and I like something with Guaraná, and they have a Guaraná Jesus, so if you come here then try that because they're really good. We don't have these in England. I haven't seen them outside of Brazil actually, but the Jesus is just to Barreirinhas, the state, so I'm not sure you would even find it outside of this state in Brazil. This is the river, the big river in here that runs through Barreirinhas, and it comes all the way out to the ocean. And so, as you can see, there is the river, and then there is the beach, and then there is the ocean, which is pretty amazing from here. Also, you can see they have a lot of turbines, wind turbines, which obviously now you can understand where they get their energy from because they're in the middle of nowhere. And I'm trying to think of any recommendations, but I don't really have any. Make sure that you always bring a swimming costume with you. We were actually told that we wouldn't go in the water. We spent a lot of time in the water today. This is so family orientated, but I've already mentioned that. So I'm just going to say we've really enjoyed ourselves. Lydia, what was your favourite? and where we stopped with the monkeys, that was the piscina, so it's the duns that she likes. And we'll see you on our journey home, and then that's going to be the end of this video. Please follow us. I'm going to upload our journey because it's going to be it's going to be 4 hours back to San Luis, and then it's going to be a 26-hour bus journey to Recife from here. And I'll give you all the information on our bus journey, and I'll that'll be a video in itself. So stay tuned if you want to see us suffering for about 30 hours on buses. And then we go to Fernando de Noronha, which is actually considered the paradise of Brazil. It's the most exotic destination. It's considered quite a rich destination to visit. And so please stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Join us next week for our plane ride over Lencois Maranhenses.